Guys, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where and how you're hearing me. Right now, what is reaching us, they say Akpabio has finally triumphed in court between him and the case of Natasha over the suspension and every katakata that has been going on. So right now, they have declared Akpabio a winner over Senator Natasha, my people. See, anyway, let me tell you people how this story went to. They said Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja has dismissed a suit filed against the Senate President, which is Godswill Akpabio, challenging the legality of the 6-month suspension handed to Kogi Central Senator Natasha over alleged misconduct. The suit, which was instituted by one Ovavu Iliasu and 9 others, was thrown out by the judge on the grounds that the plaintiffs lacked locus standi. And when they say locus standi, which means it is it has a, what did they even call it, legal authority. It lacks legal authority to bring the matter before the court. My people, they said the suit challenged the validity of Natasha suspension for various reasons. Among other reliefs, the plaintiffs urged the court to void the suspension of Senator Natasha on the ground that their senatorial district will be shortchanged and called for her immediate recall. Guys, which means right now all the cases of what has been happening is not, because they say the people that brought this case to court is not even Senator Natasha. It's the people that saw that this thing has been lingering, then they had to take it to court, and after everything, that Senate President has now won the case. That they advanced several arguments to support their request for invalidation of the suspension, including the claim that the people of Kogi Central Senatorial District will be deprived of adequate representation in the Senate. In his judgment on Friday, Justice Omotosho held that the 10 plaintiffs had no locus standi to institute the action. As in, the people that brought it, they don't have any legal standard. They don't have legal authority. They don't have the right to bring Senate President to court. Guys, why would anybody be even wasting his or her money? Why will anybody be wasting his or her money, wasting their time, wasting their energy, trying to challenge any complicity of this APC government in this present judiciary that we have? That is doing and voicing, that is parading the most judges and magistrates. Guy, it's a waste of time. When you were going at first, you would have just told yourself, it's a waste of time, no need. Justice James Omotosho, this guy is a tool. Is a tool in the hands of APC. So nothing good comes out from the court he presides, and it will not. Nobody expects less than this kind of injustice from a lawless and compromised judiciary. Whatever you judge now is a template for the future, and they don't know. I know the judge that will pass judgment. Come on now. That I will say justice has been done. Not for this James Omotosho that is heavily monetized. You people should forget. That is how to treat non-entities who want to make themselves relevant by trying to ridicule innocent people. Look at it now. That's the usual jargon for a case that doesn't favor the power that be. All election fraud against APC dismissed, never argued and won. Cases against Wike all dismissed, not argued and won. Against Cross River House of Assembly dismissed. Just don't. How many should we name? Is it the one against Tinubu on illegal emergency rule? Not even heard. Should we continue? Should we continue? Rubber stamp Akpabio and rubber stamp court is a very shameless man. Guys, This can only happen in Justice James Omotosho court, nowhere else. He says locus standi. Do you know locus standi is an important aspect of procedural law? No court will entertain a suit unless the litigants have a sufficient interest in the subject matter of the suit. It might have turned out different if the litigant brought the suit in a representative capacity. Guys, I'm not surprised though. I'm not surprised at that judgment. In fact, Nigeria judiciary is now a purchasing commodity. Before Uncle, what were you people expecting? Do you expect servant to work against his pay and his promotion master? I beg you, make una face reality. This is how it is done. Now remember to look into the case. You can imagine. What do you people expect from the judge and the entire pocketed judiciary? I hope you people were not expecting more. I hope you people were not expecting more. From the look of things, Baba Tinubu, Wike, Akpabio, and what's that one, Kekereekun, they have finished the remainder of the judiciary bastardized by Buhari. This is what we call calamity. Shame on APC Vampire Party and their moronic supporters. Guys, so right now, the matter right now is that Akpabio has won the case. Just bear it in mind that we don't have judiciary in this country. We don't have judiciary. What do you expect from them? The C0nfirm herself is even way korokoro. She was the judge that said the person that came forth in governorship election in Imo State is the winner. So what do you people even expect? What do you people expect? We don't have judiciary in Nigeria. What do you people expect from this kind of judiciary? They are so corrupt that she was the judge that said the person that came forth. You can imagine the judiciary party of Nigeria in action. Look at it. Those type of judges, they don't even feel ashamed by twisting the law. This is a very big shame on the judiciary that we have in Nigeria. The judiciary would have, in fact, they will soon join APC in contesting for elections in Nigeria. They will soon join. And when you hear them talk, you will know that there is nothing APC cannot do. My people, this one, I hear this one. I say no. This is not the way it is done. So right now, Akpabio has won the case because they say the people that brought the case to court, they don't have legal authority to bring cases to court. So Nigerians, they have the people that have authority to bring cases to court. Let me tell you, when all these judges cry, their faces are turned upside down. No wonder. In his judgment on Friday, Justice Omotosho held that the 10 plaintiffs have no local standing to institute the action. My people would call these ones, what do they call it? Shobolation. Ununited guests and gate crashers to party celebration. Guys, no be smarting, no. No be smarting. Akpabio should be, in fact, because I don't even want to say what he should be done to, because Natasha's seat was changed. Natasha's seat was changed. I wonder if this Justice Omotosho has a family that he faces each and every day of his life, that after all this his actions in judiciary, that he will go back to face. Guys, shebi if we start to talk now, una go say we no get respect for elderly people. Now so Richard Brown, all of them, then they equip, they do this one, they do that one. There will be no justice in Nigeria before these executives, unless our judiciary has its own autonomy. As of now, they are serving only the executives. Tell me who else that have got justice, starting from elections and other issues against the executives. Nobody. Just tell me. Because they have turned this man to a judicial hatchet man of the government. Any matter between government and individuals in his court is always decided to favor the government. With assertions, that's the claimant in the matter. Is not the right person to institute the case. Why the substance of the issue is pure and guys, see, make we just face reality. Let us face reality, because right now Nigeria does not have what they call judiciary. Nigeria does not have what they call judiciary. Akpabio Godswill is not fit to be Senate President. As a matter of fact, Akpabio is not what to be a leader. He is virus in his administration. If President Tinubu didn't watch and didn't watch his back carefully, Godswill Akpabio might even collapse in him. This man will collapse in government. A big disgrace to National Assembly and to Nigerian government. If we talk now, I go say we no get respect. But make una dey talk am. When una see through, make una talk am sometimes. Guys, put your comment at the comment section. If you never subscribe to this channel, please do what to subscribe.